Looking to hire a top-tier service agency on Clutch.co in 2026? Before you jump in, there is a crucial first step you need to know about just getting onto the platform. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we wanted to walk you through a complete tutorial on how to use Clutch.co to find agencies and compare reviews. However, when trying to access the platform for our analysis, we ran into a very common modern web hurdle, the Cloudflare security verification screen. When you head over to Clutch.co, the very first thing you might encounter is a page titled Just a Moment, where the site performs a quick security verification. It uses Cloudflare to protect the platform against malicious bots and automated traffic. While this is great for keeping the platform secure and ensuring that the reviews and data are protected, it does mean you might have to wait a few seconds for the system to verify you are a real user before the actual site responds and lets you in. Because we want to be completely honest with you, our research tools were blocked by the security wall, and we currently have no verified user reviews or internal platform data configured in our database to share today. We don't want to make up fake features, pricing, or review counts that we can't verify. So here is our best advice. If you want to use Clutch.co to find service providers, head over to the site yourself and let the Cloudflare verification finish. Once you pass the security check, you should be able to explore their directory directly. What about you? Have you successfully passed the verification and hired an agency through Clutch recently? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech updates. See you in the next video.